So here I go. Another adventure ride of sorts. Well, this is the most important part. Getting ready for adventure rides. Riding pants and the likes of it. There's so much of attention to detail, you know, just so that your ride is episode free and we're good to go. Okay, so the thing is, I'm meeting with a subscriber buddy of mine today at a place which is about 7 kilometers from where I stay. So we meet there and then from there head out to the forest or some real crazy landscape. This is off-road riding. This is why I got the Himalayan in the first place, because this thing can take them all. I don't really know if the camera is capturing all of this, but this is some seriously hard terrain, and best done only if you know how to stand, only if you stand up and ride. There's no other way you can do this. So that's the mountains on the left hand side and some really gnarly stuff, and this motorcycle can just take you anywhere. Talk about traction. This thing is built on that concept. So that's one road through all this. Waiting for Yagna to follow. I always try to avoid slush. It's not because I don't really have a problem with slush, but the problem lies elsewhere. It's about getting all that gunk in your tires, and then, you know, the rest of the journey becomes a lot more difficult. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's all about your lines, Ben. It's all about the lines in all of this. A tractor, a world-class tractor. Doesn't mind taking you anywhere. Just doesn't mind. Okay, so let's look at Yagna. Oh God, whatever happened to him? Is he fine? All good? Okay, this calls for tractor in action. There we go again. Woo. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Ho, 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 ho. God knows. That's the best part of owning the Himalayan.
It's the first time I've done that.
You ought to be proud of you. That's a happy face and a happy customer. Oh, that was nice, wasn't it? And so yeah, now that you see the worth of the motorcycle, right?
You know, I've not done more than 500 kilometers in this.
Ah, okay. But this is not taxing stuff for the motorcycle, not at all.
80.
Not at all, not at all. Oh, no wonder you were a little slow. You were still braking in the engine, right? Yeah, I get that.
No, also I've been driving, man. But you know what happens? You become alive.
Absolutely.
Right? You're alert, no?
Ask me about it. Absolutely. All the senses come into play, right? Don't they?
I've never done this. That's the funny part, right? I mean, the only time you do it is in bad roads in Chennai.
Absolutely.
But this
Look at where you are. It's just about it. Okay, so our friend has just lost all his air in his front tire. I'm guessing it's a puncture or a leak in the air valve, and we'll just try and figure it out. What's gone wrong with the motorcycle? This comes in handy. This is how it comes in handy. I mean, for all the fellows who think you don't really need an air compressor with you when you do this kind of stuff, you're wrong. Thorns can do it. Thorns can give you a nice prick and leave you stranded. So it's always a good thing to carry a tire air pump, which will take care of things for you. I mean, at least for the time being, I can get some air into his tire. If you're starting to lose air, and keep in mind no leak in the air valve, so that means there is a puncture in the tire. We need to rush back to civilization to get things fixed. Whoa, that was fun. That was some serious fun. Woo! Man, oh man. Himi just makes it look like a piece of cake. But the truth is, it ain't. It's as much of work as it can get.